ṣẹlẹ̀ happen Igbo versus Igbo ṣé lórí wípé àwọn ọmọ Igbo ẹlẹ́fẹ́ declare Biafra ní 2nd of December ìyẹn next month less than how many days to go sí Igbo versus Igbo ni o ìjà yẹn là ń yanjú látàná àṣé kò síbi tíṣe ò sí àṣé kò síbi tó ti kẹ́dì yálẹ́ àgò ló yàtọ̀ tá a bá rí àwọn ọmọ ọkọ Yorùbá kan táwọn náà sọ wípé tí Yorùbáland bá fẹ́ dá dúró àwọn ò sí lára wọn àwọn ọmọ Igbo ti fi gbé ta o wọ́n ní kíni wọ́n ní Anambra kì í ṣọmọ Igbo nìkan ló ní Anambra tó bá fẹ́ tí Biafra bá fẹ́ dá dúró wọ́n ní láti pín Anambra gbogbo ẹ̀yà tó gbogbo tribe tó parapọ̀ tẹ́ forcefully àṣírí ti tú ẹ máa fi tí ara yín gbọ́ ọmọ Igbo fúnra lára ẹ̀ ló pariwo síta ó ní kì í ṣọmọ Igbo ló ní gbogbo Anambra àṣẹ no man's land ní Anambra mẹ́hàn àṣẹ no man's land ní Enugu mẹ́hàn lẹ́yìn wá ní wá lára nílẹ̀ Yorùbá lẹ́ pé Lagos State is no man's land gbogbo ilẹ̀ Yorùbá belong to you ẹ ti ra ilẹ̀ gbogbo ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ẹ ti ra mansion ẹ ti build the house ẹ̀yin lẹ́ni ẹjọ́ ogun tó fẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Biafra yìí tí ìjà yìí bá máa lọ tó máa bọ̀ bóyá ní Igbo máa ju pinche níbi orí èèrà báyìí wàhálà ti ṣẹlẹ̀ o ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ò lè yé.
Go and tell your children the truth, because by the time we want to divide Nigeria, what is deceiving most of you that okay now we now divide Nigeria into three. God will punish all of you that want to divide Nigeria into three. You are not dividing any Nigeria. You are not dividing any Nigeria until we are done with bookkeeping, check and balance. So to some of them hallucinating, one day we now wake up, yes, we are now here to divide Nigeria into three. Yoruba take one, Hausa take one, Igbo take one. God will punish all of you who want to divide Nigeria into three. Which Wazobia? What is the fucking Wazobia you are dividing us into? Did Oyibo even know Wazobia? Oyibo left two districts, the north and the southern protectorate. But for the sake of political reason, they needed more fronts in order to create a viable political party. That is how they divided the southern protectorate into two, giving birth to the west and the east. But that does not cover the truth that there are other millions of ethnic groups under this concept. It was to create a structure that will enable a heterogeneous society function homogeneously. Why can't you tell your people the truth? So we shall divide Anambra when the time comes. Three ethnic groups. Igbo will go. The one that come from Israel will go to Israel. The one that come from Anyoma will go to Anyoma and Benin and go to Yorubaland. The one that come from Jamaica will go to Jamaica. I have about 10 workers who are Gala people. And when we come, they can speak Anambra, You know, there is a way Anambra, they all have unique tongue. They can speak Anambra, But then, when they are together, you begin to hear their Igala language. And that is when I say, wait, where now for come? They say Anambra State. I say, wait till now they speak. They say Igala. I say, wait. And so we don't come out and tell you what we don't know. We investigated 98 communities in Anambra State. 21 are not a Gala. 98 minus 21. And I know Anambra, but you don't know. After Aguneri and Muneri, the next community till you enter Enugu, till you enter Kogi State, all of them are Gala people. Is any of them working in Oka government house? You never love people where they the same state with you. You won't carry me join. And your father did not tell you that Topi Weka is not Igbo man. It's a Gala. Because they don't want you to know. The day they will push you to come and kill Onitsha people, you will now move. This is not the era of Oshobe. Oshobe is for brainless people. But Onitsha people are not saying anything.
Ọmọ Igbo tó ṣẹnu yankan. Ṣé rí tẹ́ bá ti lẹ́ẹ̀ni jẹ́ ká mi rí mú mi, àwa gan ò ní gbà fún yín because ẹ máa believe pé yín nìkan lẹ mọ̀rọ̀ sọ. If the Igbo people then think say na only them sabi talk or sabi yarn, they say they no go allow Yoruba, make them rest, make them drink water drop call with peace of mind. Then we go show una say no be only una get mouth our own bad mouth, no be from this earth Now this girl, I know say this in video go don't reach many Yorubas. Me I know to talk sharp.
Yoruba, tell your sons, your professors, your pastors to march on the street and do to Tinubu what they did to Jonathan. If they are not cowards, if they are not toothless bulldogs, they will not. A coward will remain a coward. Respect Wale Soyinka, Femi Falana, respect Bakari, my foot.
You know
respect
what
them, say what happen. And they smoke Igbo. Where is Professor Wale Soyinka? Where is Femi Falana today?
Oh.
And where is Pastor Tunde Bakari hiding?
Okay.
Bakari must be hiding. For him to be silent up till now, he must be hiding somewhere. And we would love to know where his hiding place is.
He celebrated his birthday last week.
These are Yoruba men. Take a look at them. They are pure Yoruba men. I know you don't know anything about them. Some of you know, why most of you do know.
Tell us.
Especially if you are politically awoken. You will know what these men stood for before and what they are standing for now. Okay. I will explain who these your role models are today. What has become of them suddenly. A liter of fuel was not up to 100 naira when Professor Wale Soyinka, your prof, went on the street to protest against Goodluck Ebele Jonathan. A bag of rice was not close to 15,000 naira per bag when Femi Falana went on the same street to protest against Goodluck Ebele Jonathan.
You did right. You get that.
$1 was not up to 250 naira when Pastor Tunde Bakare went on the same streets to protest against Jonathan.
Okay.
Where are these Yoruba men today?
Okay, thank you. I will answer you from where you stop, not be from where you first start. You say, where are our beautiful, wonderful elders from Yorubaland? Like the Pastor Bakare, the Baba Falana, the Yoko Daddy me, the Daddy Wale Soyinka, my daddy, my love. Daddy mean I love him. You said, where are they to come out and lead a protest against Tinubu's government that removed subsidy, high, exchange rate, bag of rice, everything scatter. You are very right, oh my sister. Na truth you talk. But let me remind you, you said you cannot respect them. First of all, I have never seen anywhere or any video that any one of them are demanding for respect from any Igbo person. So, come, my sister, do you know anything about respect, being respectful? Does Igbo knows anything they call respect? Now we get on. Yoruba people, we are the most respectful tribe, ethnic in that Nigeria. If there's any other ethnic group that knows what respect is all about, they are behind us. They are learning it from Yorubas. Yes, and you know the truth. That is not the place I'm going. You see this disappointment? I see the greatest disappointment in your eyes and in your voice. Calm down, my sister, because I have a lot of things to show you and prove to you today on this video. You see that greatest disappointment in your tone, eh? We are not your problem. And you know what? Baba Wale Soyinka, Baba Falana, Pastor Bakare, and the rest of them all. They are not disappointment, They did not disappoint you, They didn't disappoint anybody, Yes. Do you know the greatest disappointment ever? They are your leaders and elders. You want to understand now? Go back home and ask your elders and leaders. Your man see them, how they take disgrace the Igbos and disappointed you guys. You see this, our daddy you are calling, the Falanos, the Bakares, the Wale Soyinka, and the rest of them, they did not disappoint us. Yes, now, the year you are talking about the Jonathan Ebele's regime that you are talking about, that you mentioned in your video now, You see this, our daddy, that came out that time. It was even the President Bola Ahmed Tinubu of today that led that protest. Go and do your research very well. And every one of them, they spoke out. They said their mind. Yes, as a Yoruba leaders and elders, where were your own people? Okay, let us agree and accept it that you people are together with Jonathan. I am not supporting them that what they did was right. That particular period, that particular year, it was right. But now it is now that we know that, okay, these our elderly people, since you did that the same thing during the Tinubu, they're supposed to come out truly this time around. Yes, they refuse to come out. Do you want to kill them? You cannot kill them. But your elders, your mass, your political elite, they disappointed you. They are worse than these people that you are mentioning, my sister. You know why? Why have they kept quiet all this while since Baba Tinubu became president of Nigeria, that he removed the subsidy, that all Nigerians are shouting, they are groaning in pains? Where were your own people to come out and lead the protest against President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and speak out just the same way Baba Tinubu and Bakares them, the Wale Soyinka them, they did during Jonathan? Where were your own people to do the same thing to Tinubu? Let them come out and lead that protest. If they cannot come out and be bold, just like Baba Tinubu, Baba Bakare, Baba Wale Soyinka, Baba Falana, and the rest of them during the Jonathan's regime, then they disappointed you. You see now that these people are not your problem. They are not your problem. You're just looking for trouble because they are Yorubas. Ask your own elders. Go back home and go back home and hold a meeting with your mazi, your elder people, your elderly people back home in Southeast. Ask them to come out and unite. They have been divided. Yes. Before you people always say Igbos are united, they have unity, they agree to one another. Pooh. Unity my foot as well. Among the Igbo, unity my foot. Agreement between them, my foot. That was yesterday Igbo. Today's Igbo. What about your Obi-Wan Abdul Obi? So your Abdul Obi cannot bring the remaining mercy and they join together to lead a protest. They should be bold enough if they really know that they are strong enough, like my own elderly people during Jonathan. Then let your own Abdul Obi and the rest of your brother then fool that your Southeast. Now for Yoruba land, they live, they know they live on the side. Now that Yoruba land, the way you they accuse and the Yoruba people they attack. Now our side that they live, that they eat, that they drink, that they make life, that they flourishing. Ask your Abdul Obi to lead what? To lead a protest against Tinubu, just the same way Tinubu did to Jonathan during his regime. Simple as ABC.
Bruh. Now, this is where you are going to have serious problem. The non-Igbo in Anambra retain their indigenous dialect and they speak Igbo. And then we go to Enugu. When you get to Enugu, Enugu is made up of three people, three ethnic group. Three ethnic group recognized by Nigeria. That is what Enugu is made up of. I was talking to one Enugu man. He said, sir, what do you talk now true? Because you get some people where they so place. They know they hear Igbo and I know they hear waiting then talk. But I'm sure many Enugu people don't know. In the Oshi, they have learned to improvise. So what they do now is they learn your dialect, they speak your dialect, but they retain their original dialect. Look at the man Tinubu appointed, whether one of the ministers Tinubu appointed. He's from Enugu, but he's not Igbo man. That is why when Tinubu appointed him, all these Igbo people from Israel jump out. He said, no, the Igbo man, he won't give her. But when they see that if they hyper this matter, they will be disgraced. That is why they are not talking again. And so in Enugu, Idoma people will take their land. Igala people will take their land. Or do you know the difference between Oberafo and Ombulafo? Enugu man, do you know the difference between Oberafo and Ombulafo? And you are changing their history. People, you don't even understand their language. You are manipulating it. So we are going to divide Enugu. That is why I say you cannot dream of dividing Nigeria into three. We are not going to accept it. And then we move to Ebonyi. We are going to divide Ebonyi into three. Ebonyi state will be divided into three or maybe four. Because the Igbo Wawawa may have to go to Hausa where they come from. According to
You dey hear? They say for Enugu, only in Enugu, Anambra, Enugu, Imo, Owerri, Enugu, then get about three different tribes, ethnic, where they there. Igala dey, Idome dey, and many like that. No be all of them where you they see, where they live for Enugu, all of them they hear Igbo. They say different languages reach there. Many of them they where they know they even hear Igbo. And they call all of them, they call all of them Igbos. The thing where this man they talk now be say, if Biafra won't declare next month to Biafra nation, they say many ethnic where they in Anambra, Enugu, Imo, and so on and so forth, all nation. Then go come out. If they come out now, how many people go come remain for Igbo land now? Ah. Oh, jigbi jagbalajọ tí gbogbo wọn ṣá ń wá gbogbo ọ̀nà láti gba ilẹ̀ káàkiri kan fi dán mọ́ tí wọn àṣeyàn ọmọ Igbo pọ̀. My Igbo brother, Nsobadro. Be a neighbor here. See, not be say I hate you now. Now, una sister they cause this matter. Since she knows how to talk to our own elderly people, we no go hesitate to reply una. Now, cause my own reply now be this. Now, cause now they talk to una people. May they know they shoot. May they know they put their mouth. They insult any Yoruba person. You understand? You see this video now, I bet if you want share, let me share and reach that lady. May she take her hair here waiting a yarn. I beg you. Let me tell her, say, if she like, may she swallow her respect. So the last time I shared for the book of One Nigeria, the only tribe that knows what respect is all about is Yorubas. Igbo doesn't know anything about respect. Now we the teacher, any Igbo person, you see where you get respect. Now we Yoruba teacher. Ask them. Now true I talk. Now from Yoruba I learn. Now they say don't turn to Yoruba people be that. Now the many part of the advantages well now they gain from Yoruba people be that. But still, upon all this thing, una no go allow us rest. Since you said you did disappointed for Baba Bakare, Baba Falana, and Baba Wole Soyinka, they no come out again to lead protests against Tinubu. They don't tell you say na their brother. They know they do that kind of thing. Now that is to tell you that there is nothing like one Nigeria. Because the time where Buhari did there, you see them northern people, they come out, call lead protests against them. That is why there is nothing like one Nigeria. But what thing I go tell you be say you respect them, you know respect. They don't even know whether you dey alive or not. They don't know. But come on, you see that disappointment. Now I want come out for your mouth. No be our Yoruba elderly people disappointed you. Now your mass, now your elderly people, now them disappoint you. Now your political elite disappointed you. Now them be thieves. They are thieves. They don't care about you guys. If to say they really care about you guys, they truly love you, they're supposed to be bold enough to come out just like our father that you mentioned now. They're supposed to come out and lead the protest against Tinubu. Made a chest stand, chest to chest, the same way Tinubu chest stand, the same way Baba Falana chest stand, the same way Baba Wole Soyinka and Pastor Bakare chest stand. They talk out, they read many things, they read a lot of things, they speak their mind. They said a lot of things during Jonathan regime. So, I am not saying Igbo people or any other tribe in Nigeria should not come out and lead just the same way they did against Tinubu because he removed the subsidy. Yes, all of us, they suffer around today and many things. So, go back home, tell your people, face them, ask them to come out and be bold like the Yoruba elderly people. If there's anybody you should respect, it is these people you are condemning. Give it to them. Give it to them. Give them their own trophy. Waiting your own elderly people cannot do, they did it. So me, I would expect your reply, or I would wait for the time where your own elderly people, they go come and come lead the protest. Not be saying I go they run mouth like that YouTube. Not be online, I go they run mouth, they talk, they write. Me una come out, me una live online alone. Nigeria no day online, it get reality. Me una come out like them before. Me una come out like Bakare as he do to the Jonathan. Me una still come out, me una get chest. Me una bold put. Me una come out, come lead protest. Now no be say una go hide under the anytime they call for protest. Igbo no suffer. I be no be so una dey talk. Igbo no suffer. In fact, now they enjoy this government. Now they enjoy and pass. Everything just dey normal. Una love her. Nothing happen. Anytime they come for protest, una go ahead. Una brother go beer parlor. Begin they drink, they sing, they dance. Say, this government sweet. Why can't they make you only you one? Now woman you be o. Abi you no marry. Wetin come make you only you one now? Come dey holla. Your brother then they say they love the government. You say you no like and they disappoint you. Abeg, confusion don settle for Igbo land. As una dey confused, no una don't carry that confusion reach our side though, because we know they confused for Yoruba land. So at the end of it, Anambra na no man's land. Iye. Kai, Musobadira. Enugu na different ethnic, different language. So no be only Igbo get it. So every one of them, the gala Ibio, Simbe Odara, calm down. The gala them now, they won't come out. Every other ethnic now, every other tribe, where they Enugu, they won't come out. How many Igbo go remain now for this Biafra? Yeah! Wala wow. Ṣé àwọn Yorùbá náà ní fẹ́ ṣe bí àwọn ọmọ Igbo ṣe ń ṣe báyìí? Àwọn ọmọ Èkó tí ń sọ wípé àwọn ò tẹ̀lé Yorùbá nation. Kò ṣáà níbẹ̀ níbọ̀ la kọ́ sọ wípé Èkìtì lèmi ti wá. Kọ́ wá sọ wípé Èkìtì ò wá aṣọmọ ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. Ìyẹn ló máa burú jù. Torí ibi tí ọ̀rọ̀ Nàìjíríà dé dúró ìbáyìí kò wá yé èèyàn mọ́, kò sí nǹkan tí ó lè ṣẹlẹ̀. Ẹ má jẹ́ rí yín kẹ́ padà bọ́ síta kẹ́yìn ọmọ Èkìtì kẹ́ máa sọ wípé kì í ṣọmọ Èkìtì o. Kì í ṣọmọ ilẹ̀ Yorùbá o. Ìpè ibòmíì la tún ti wá o. Àbí kọ́kàn dédé sọ wípé Ìbàdàn ń ṣọmọ ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. Àbí kọ́ sọ wípé Oǹdó kò wá láti ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. Wàhálà ìdè. Ẹ wo rẹ ìgbẹ́gẹ́dẹ́ ti gbiná, wàhálà ti ṣẹlẹ̀. Kí ló rí sí gbogbo rògbòdìyàn yìí? Drop your comments under this video. Má gbàgbé láti bá mi subscribe sórí YouTube channel. It is very important. Support my brand na. A ní kò yé jà, má mú ilé ayé kankan. Calm down. Ilé ayé yìí ni ó ti le jù pé kí wọ́n tún mú kankan. Be calming down. Gbé wàhálà ilé ayé lẹ̀. Ilé ayé gan rọrùn ní zone. Be happy. Má gbàgbé láti bá mi thumb up on this particular video. Like it, thumb up. Yes, share it. Tó bá dọ́dọ̀ ẹ. Thank you. Remain blessed.